In today's video, I'll be showing you how to insert a picture onto another on your Samsung Galaxy S9 tablet. So first, open Gallery and then select the picture you want to insert something. And then tap on this edit icon in the top. And here, you should see this smiley face. So tap on this icon and then select stickers. Next, look for this gallery icon here at the bottom right. This one right here. So tap on that. And then tap on this plus icon. Then select a picture you want to use as a sticker. So let me select this one. And then you can use a freeform, which means just drawing randomly on the screen, or you can use shape. And then you can use this as a circle, a square, a triangle, a love heart, or a star. So I want to use freeform, and then I've selected the cup. So once you've selected what you want to insert, simply tap on next. And then once you're happy with it, the coloration and everything like that, simply tap on done. So once you've finished, you should notice that you're able to drag the cup or the image around on the screen to increase the size like that, or to decrease it and to rotate it however you want. So once you've done that, then just drag it around on the screen until you fixed it where you want it to go. So once you're happy with where it is, just tap any of the screen to let go of it. Then tap on save if you want to save it as it is, or you can tap on these three dots here and then choose to save as a copy, meaning you'll keep the original and the new image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.